Počitelj is a settlement and a historic village in Herzegovina. Its walled nucleus is protected National Monument of Herzegovina and an open-air museum. The settlement is situated on the left bank of the river Neretva, on the main road Mostar-Mekovic. In the Middle Ages, Počitelj was the administrative center and center of governance of Dubrava County, and its westernmost point, which gave it major strategic importance. It is supposed that the fortified town and its attendant settlements were built by Bosnian-Croatian King Stjepan Tvrkovi in 1383. The fort of Počitelj was built between the 15th and 18th centuries, with intervals when construction was suspended. The original medieval nucleus of the fort is the oldest walled section, where two stages of construction can be identified. The older, inner town or fortress, a dungeon tower with a small ward or bailey, from the late 14th century, with later additions, alterations and reinforcements dating from the second half of the 15th century. To judge from the layout of the oldest parts of the fortress, it may be assumed that there was a small settlement below the fortifications, dating from an earlier or the same period as the fortifications themselves. Somewhat prior to 1698, the fortress was considerably enlarged and fortified with a stronger system of defense.
Baba ruga! Baba ruga! Baba ruga! Засип.
Это же